An event to encourage more healthy living will take place Saturday at the Roxbury YMCA. The event's part of an initiative called Let's Get Healthy Boston. It's organized by the Boston Public Health Commission and community partners, including 75 healthy community champions. Joining us are two guests from the initiative with the Boston Public Health Commission, the project director, Mary Bovenzi, and the program coordinator, Stephanie Voltaire. Thank you both very much for being with us.
Thank you.
I'll start with Mary Bovenzi about what kind of things are you trying to get people to change with an event like this?
So Let's Get Healthy Boston is a partnership between the Boston Public Health Commission and the Boston Alliance for Community Health. And our focus is to really help residents make healthier choices. So we have a tagline kind of that we want to help make the healthy choice be the easy choice, the default choice to make. So we are working on a couple of different strategies around this. One is smoke-free housing, so it's really increasing the number of affordable housing units that are smoke-free. And we are also working on healthy foods and beverages, so expanding and supporting our Boston Bounty Bucks program, which is an incentive for SNAP users to shop at farmers markets, and also working with retail around healthy beverages to make sure that healthy options are easy and accessible in our neighborhoods.
Well, Stephanie, the YMCA is right near a shopping center in Roxbury, so I'm sure there'll be lots of people around, but you got to be planning things to get their attention. So what's going to be going on?
Yes, we are. So we're going to have a DJ. We'll be playing music and hopefully getting people to come over to the YMCA parking lot. And if anyone has a bike that needs repair or wants to learn how to repair their bikes, the Boston Cyclists Union will be there repairing bikes and teaching community residents how to repair their bikes. We're having a fresh truck, which is a school bus that is transformed to be a mobile fruit and veggie market. So we're having that. We're providing free lunch from the Fresh Fruit Generations food truck. We're having a lot of giveaways, helmets, tote bags, a whole bunch of stuff.
Why are those mobile fruit and vegetable markets so important?
I think it's a way to attract children and those who are not too prone to eating fruits and vegetables. So it's a way to attract people to come to the school bus and shop and get fruits and vegetables.
And it increases access points in the neighborhood by putting, fresh fruits and vegetables on the van in the neighborhood. It takes the place where we might not have a farmer's market every day or something.
Yeah. And I guess the thing you have to remember that people with cars and SUVs can drive to a supermarket and load up, but if you don't have your own vehicle, it's a challenge to carry the stuff home. So I guess this is where it fills in.
Yeah, it can really make a difference as far as access in many of our neighborhoods.
Right. Stephanie, what about the health problems that you're trying to prevent? Anything you can tell us about that?
Yes. So we're trying to prevent some of the most common and preventable chronic diseases, such as obesity, hypertension. So with our active transportation and the bicycling projects, we're hoping people will bike more and walk more to their to work or church or where they play and work, so that can help with the obesity issues, and as well as the fresh fruits and vegetables to help individuals to eat healthy to reduce hypertension and obesity.
Mary, some people might say, yes, I like those fresh fruits and vegetables, and I know they're good for me, but aren't they expensive?
Yeah, so one of the things that we really push is affordability, and there are many of our neighborhood farmers markets actually really aren't that much more expensive than supermarkets. And one of the great programs that I mentioned before, the Boston Bounty Bucks program, gives a dollar-for-dollar match to SNAP recipients to use their EBT cards at farmers markets. So it makes the dollar go much further, and they can really, definitely get affordable, fresh, and local options, which is really important.
Okay. Stephanie, what about the importance of being able to see this kind of healthy lifestyle and I guess role modeling too? It's something that comes from within the community.
Yeah, so on Saturday we're having a lot of presentations. For example, we're having an infused water demonstration. So we're teaching people how to...
How does that work?
We're teaching people how some people, they don't like the taste of water. They need something some flavor. So we're teaching people how to spice up their water by adding some fruits and sometimes vegetables and herbs into their water to spice it up and spice up the taste.
All right. I've been known to spike my water with a lemon or two. Coming back to Mary, I guess the other thing that's going on is that you have, 75 community champions involved. What have they been doing?
Yeah, so our Healthy Community Champions we have 75 residents, and they are organized from 12 different community-based organizations, and they are really charged with bringing up the support from a grassroots level in their neighborhoods. So they're working on our 3 strategies in their neighborhoods and are doing things like connecting with landlords about why smoke-free housing is important and promoting the Hubway bike share program to lower income residents in many of our neighborhoods, and availability of the farmers markets, so promoting the farmers markets and that sort of thing. So we believe that it's crucial for this type of project to have a really strong community engagement strategy, and that's what our Healthy Community Champions are. And the Boston Alliance for Community Health has organized them. It's a great group, and really a major purpose of this event on Saturday is to celebrate the wonderful work that they're doing and our partnership with them, and we're really excited about it.
So Stephanie, Saturday, Martin Luther King Boulevard in Warren Street. This is at the Roxbury Y. And what time are we talking about?
So it's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's at 285 Martin Luther King Boulevard. So it's in the Roxbury YMCA parking lot.
Great. Thank you both very much for being with us. Stephanie Voltaire and Mary Bovenzi.
Thank you.